food and meals. 1. Anna usually eats complete breakfasts that include eggs, bread, and juice. What does Anna usually eat for breakfast? 2. Mike loves fruits, especially apples and bananas. He eats them every day. What fruits does Mike eat every day? 3. Food can be prepared in many ways: boiled in pots, fried in pans, roasted in ovens, or grilled over an open fire. How do the people you know cook their food? 4. In the winter, Sarah likes to eat soup. There is nothing she likes more than a tasty, warm bowl of soup with bread. How does Sarah like to eat her soup? 5. Lisa prepares sandwiches for lunch, adding slices of cheese, ham, and lettuce to make them delicious. What does Lisa use to make her sandwiches? 6. Peter begins his morning with a cup of tea, which helps him feel fresh and ready for the day. Why does Peter like to drink tea in the morning? 7. Some people prefer spicy food, adding chili peppers and hot sauces to bring extra flavor to their meals. What can people add to make their food more spicy? 8. Olivia likes to eat rice with chicken for dinner, especially fried rice and grilled chicken. What does Olivia especially like to eat for dinner? 9. Mark loves cooking pasta. He always boils his pasta no more than 11 minutes. Then he adds tomato sauce and cheese to it. How does Mark prepare his pasta? 10. In most families, people come together at the dinner table to share food and stories about their day. Does your family usually share stories at the dinner table? 11. Coffee and tea are widely drunk by many people in the world, in the morning or after meals. When do people drink tea in your country? 12. Dining at restaurants is a great way to enjoy delicious food with friends without the hard work of cooking. Do you like eating out?